Hi YouTube, today we're gonna make tea in a coffee maker. So the first thing you need to do is you just gotta take this reservoir out and fucking just like fill it with cold water. So the thing you do is place this thing right in this reservoir, place this thing right in the back of it. You always want to preheat your coffee pot, the coffee pot basically. And you want to get the coffee thing out, you want to go to here and fucking. Second. Make 2 tea bags, place the tea bags in the coffee maker and press start and then brew your coffee. I'm going to talk to you about a thermos you can use for camping. Yeah, it's a pretty good thermos. So let's see what we got in the coffee maker. Let's see. Tea actually made. Pink tea tank. Like orange pecan tea. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching YouTube.